In the year 1870, Mikveh Yisrael was founded as an agricultural school by the Alliance Israélite Universelle. Mikveh Yisrael remains a direct and unbroken link between the generation of today and the generations that conceived of and built the modern state of Israel in the Jewish homeland. At the heart of Mikveh Yisrael's original site is the synagogue, which has been recognized as an historic asset of national significance and a living testimony to former glory. The winery at Mikveh Yisrael was among the first commercial vineyards in the country, laying the foundation for Israel's successful winemaking industry. Mikveh Yisrael played an important role in the Zionist endeavor of settling the land, absorbing immigrants, and ensuring Israel's security. The first Israeli mortar cannon, the Davidka, famous from the battle for Jerusalem during the War of Independence, was invented in its metal workshop. During the 1930s, Israel's first botanical garden was established at Mikveh Yisrael, introducing plants from all over the world, acclimatizing crops, and creating the basis for agricultural research in the emergent state. Despite the winds of change, the dairy has been in continuous operation since 1870. Today, this agricultural industry is a source of pride as well as revenue for Mikveh Yisrael. Over the years, towns and cities have grown up around Mikveh Yisrael. By becoming part of the new Ariel Sharon Park, Mikveh Yisrael will play an important role in providing a sustainable green lung for the heavily built-up central region. Throughout its 142-year history, Mikveh Yisrael has always been a pioneering force in shaping and developing Israel's economy, society, and landscape.